Welcome to our very first segment of THG Week Rewind. Let us rewind the week. On last Sunday, India teemed with joy with the T20 World Cup win. Rohit's boys won the World Cup unbeaten in the tournament. Kohli's match-winning 76, Surya Kumar Yadav's game-changing catch, emotional scenes witnessed after the match. That was how the T20 World Cup final was summed up. On Monday, Rahul Gandhi ruffled many feathers with his fiery maiden speech. In a scathing attack on the ruling government, Rahul spoke about the BJP's spread of hatred and violence and said they are not Hindus. His comments on Hinduism and triggered protests from BJP members. Rahul criticized the Agniveer scheme, emphasized saving the constitution and spoke about courage, non-violence and fearlessness in all religions. Later, parts of Rahul's speech were expunged from the record. Reacting to it, Gandhi said that truth cannot be expunged. Hathras tragedy killed 121. The deadly tragedy struck devotees attending a satsang in Pulrai village in UP's Hathras, killing 121 men, women and children. The self-styled godman Suraj Pal, commonly known as Bhole Baba, held a satsang or a prayer meet on 2nd July, which was attended by almost 2.5 lakh people. The venue was unorganized, resulting in the chaos and stampede. UP CM Yogi Adityanath hinted at a conspiracy, while Rahul Gandhi met and consoled the families of the victims and urged for maximum compensation immediately. On Wednesday, Chandrasekhar Azad, MP from UP's Nagina, spoke about caste, Dalits and Muslims in the parliament. Azad demanded a caste census, increase in reservation and pitched for social justice in his very first parliamentary speech. In the podcast with Smita Prakash, Azad battled for Muslim political representation. On Thursday, T20I World Cup finally came home. The winning Indian team flew back to New Delhi from Barbados and met PM Modi. Later that evening, a victory parade was organized at Marine Drive and Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The Indian women's cricket team also made us proud by winning Test series against South Africa. Last week, Lok Sabha Speaker amends oath-taking rules. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has amended the oath-taking rules for MPs, prohibiting any remarks during their oath following the instances of slogan shouting on June 24 and 25. Several MPs shouted slogans like Jai Bhim and Jai Palestine, Jai Ram post taking their oaths. After being postponed 4 times in 4 months, NEET PG will finally be held on 11th of August in 2 shifts. In international news, it's ab ki baar 400 par. In the United Kingdom, Labour Party wins after 14 years and Keir Starmer is the new PM. After a landslide victory for Labour Party, Rishi Sunak conceded defeat, apologized to the UK citizens and resigned. Jeremy Corbyn reinstated support for a ceasefire in Gaza after he won as an independent candidate after being expelled from his former party, that is the Labour Party. That's it from THG Week Rewind. Thank you.